let's perform creating new account on the Firebase authentication services. In the index.html, we have a form for that. When the form is submitted, we can create a new account with the email and password provided. Let's take a look at the document. If you have left from the document page, here let me show you again from the project overview, gear icon, project settings, and then choose CDN, SDK setup, and then get started the link. Scroll it down a little bit, and then you can find the available libraries documentation. And from the CDN, we are using authentication service. So click on authentication documents. We use a modular API, making sure that you choose the correct one. And then if we scroll down, the sign up new user shows how to create a new account. The function to call from the API is create user with the email and the password. That's the function, so let's copy the name of the function. And then in the Firebase author, let's import that function that we are going to use. So create user with the email and password that you should call to create an account. And then in this Firebase auth module, let's define a function for our web application. The name of the function, let's export async. Function name is create account when email and passwords are provided. So this is our own local function, but it's going to call this function from the Firebase API. The auth object is defined here for all functions in this module. Once this is defined, then what you need to do is in the app.js, let's attach the form submit event. In the index.html, the name of the form to create the account is create account form. Let's copy that. And then here, let's give functions create account event is there. The event is a document. It looks everything is okay, so let's accept all GitHub generated code and review that. Document the forms. A create account form is the name of the form correctly given, and then on submit, the submit event is there. Then we attach a function for that. First, e.prevent default. When the form is submitted, the page will be reloaded, so we just protect it, keep it from reloading the page. And then the email provide is here, password provide is here, everything is correct. Then create account that we defined in the Firebase auth module, so we can call it. Then users is created, otherwise an error. So the template generated looks fine, but we are going to do a few other things. That is, in the form we are asking email and then email confirm. So we need to check whether those two emails are correct. So const email confirm is e.target email confirm.value. And if email and then email confirm are different, then we need to alert emails do not match, and then we should stop proceeding that. Otherwise, it's okay to proceed. Then the rest of the code looks okay there. Then when sign in or creating account is completed, we need to hide the create account form and go back to the normal rendering. That is, a user will sign in automatically. So here we need to hide the create account div. So document get element by ID, create account div class list. We replace the div block to the none. So we hide the create account form there. And then the rest looks okay. So let's now test how this works in the next video.